In this video, you'll learn how to sell profitable items on eBay effectively. This guide will walk you through the essential steps to maximize your sales and profit margins on the platform. Begin your process by researching demand for potential items. Access eBay's website and navigate to the search bar at the top of the homepage. After entering a product name, apply the Sold Listings filter from the drop-down menu on the left side of the search results page. This filter will display items that have recently sold, allowing you to analyze their pricing trends and competition. Pay attention to the number of sold items to gauge demand. A higher number indicates a more profitable opportunity. Next, focus on high-margin categories that tend to yield better profits. Categories such as electronics, collectibles, branded clothing, and niche items generally have a strong resale value. To identify these categories, explore eBay's main categories section. Click on Shop by Category at the top of the page and browse through different sections. Take note of items that are frequently sold at higher prices to help guide your sourcing decisions. Controlling costs is crucial for maximizing your profits. When sourcing products, aim to minimize both acquisition and shipping expenses. Research local thrift stores, garage sales, or online marketplaces where you can find items at a lower cost. Once you have sourced your products, calculate the total expenses, including shipping fees, to ensure you can maintain competitive pricing while still achieving a healthy profit margin. After sourcing your items, it is essential to create effective listings on eBay. Use high-quality images and write detailed descriptions that highlight the features and condition of the items. Include relevant keywords to enhance visibility in search results. Consider using eBay's promotional tools to increase exposure for your listings, especially during peak shopping seasons. Finally, monitor your sales and adjust your strategy as needed. Keep an eye on which items sell well and which do not, and be prepared to pivot your sourcing strategy based on current trends. Regularly reviewing your sales data will help you refine your approach and maintain profitability over time. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.